Hi all and welcome. Today we're going to be taking a deep dive into Microsoft Power BI, which is a powerful tool transforming the world of business intelligence. Microsoft Power BI, whose website we're on right now, is a leading data visualization and business intelligence platform. Power BI stands for Power Business Intelligence, and it's a suite of software tools, apps, and connectors that turn your unrelated data sources into a coherent, visually immersive, and interactive dashboard. Whether your data is in an Excel spreadsheet or a collection of cloud-based on-premise hybrid data warehouses, Power BI lets you connect to it and visualize what's important and share it with people within your organization. Power BI is composed of several key components. We're not going to review all of them today, but there's a few important ones. There's Power BI Desktop, which is a desktop application. There's Power BI Service, which is a subscription as a service for sharing and compiling the reports that you build using Microsoft Power BI Desktop. There's a mobile app for accessing the reports on Power BI Service on the go. There's Power BI Report Builder for accessing paginated reports, and there's Power BI Report Server, which is an on-premise report server for publishing reports created in Microsoft Desktop. These components work together to provide a comprehensive solution for data analysis and visualization. So, why is Microsoft Power BI so important and talked about in the business intelligence world? Well, one, it enables data-driven decision making. Two, it's designed for all levels of users, so you can get really advanced with it, and you can just dip your toe in. Three, it's fully integrated with all of Microsoft Office 365 and their other tools like SharePoint, OneDrive, things like that. And it's cost effective with options ranging from free to premium, so businesses of all size can leverage its capabilities. Power BI has been a game changer in the realm of business intelligence, empowering organizations to harness the power of their data and drive success. Moving forward, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be giving you a brief overview of Microsoft Power BI Desktop and how to build your first report.